Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a quick and easy install video for you. We're going to be checking out the glass screen protector for the 2022 Subaru WRX. Now, I bought this on Amazon for $25. You can probably find one on eBay or Amazon somewhere between $10 and $40. Honestly, they probably all come from the same place because anytime I've ever bought a screen protector for anything, they always come in this exact same packaging. The white packaging, the tempered glass logo, the same little, everything's the same. So this is supposed to be a 9H hardness. It repels oil apparently, bubble-free installation, original touch, everything's supposed to work, scratch resistant, and real tempered. So this is real tempered glass. It's supposed to prevent scratches and fingerprints and all that stuff. So we'll see. We'll do a little test once it's in the car. I'm not going to purposely try and scratch it, but we'll see how easy it is to clean compared to the OEM one. Now the OEM one, for anyone that doesn't know, they do get scratched up over time. So my old Subarus, my last Subaru, my 2020 WRX, after a while when you start cleaning the dust off of them and you clean the fingerprints off and you spray it down with anything and you wipe it with a microfiber, it eventually starts getting micro scratches in it and it looks terrible over time. So if we can protect it with a glass screen protector and keep it clean for a long time and then eventually just replace the protector if we need to, that would be ideal. So we're going to jump into the car, we're going to install this. So here we go. We are going into the interior of my WRX. You can see that the screen has not been touched. I put about 500 miles on the car so far, and this is how the screen looks. I have not done anything to clean it. It's just covered in fingerprints. There's no scratches, but there is some dirt and debris and fingerprints all over this thing. So I'm going to clean this and wipe it down. Okay. Now if we open this up, what do we have here? We have some instructions, auxiliary tools. You guys see that? Installation auxiliary tools. How cool is that? That probably is an alcohol wipe and something to remove the lint, which is probably a sticker if I had to guess. Screen protector, cleaning cloth, drying cloth, dust removal sticker. Now I should be able to touch. I don't want to put fingerprints all over it, but okay, so this is the front side here, and then the back side has this sticker that we will peel and remove. So what we're gonna do is sit that down for now. I am just going to test fit this real quick just to make sure, because this did say that it was only for the Subaru Ascent, but I knew that that was bogus. So I'm going to tear open this package. We have, oh no, not the stickers. We have our dust removal stickers. We have our lint-free drying cloth, and we have our wipe paper. Of course, it is just an alcohol prep pad. I can actually see some lint left on this thing from the microfiber, but I'm going to wipe this down. The whole purpose of the alcohol is just to clean the surface so that this glass is going to stick. Then we can take this drying cloth. We are going to just go over everything with the drying cloth, and I'm going to kind of get in here and inspect it and try to make sure that we don't have any leftover lint on this thing from the microfiber. So I can see some dirt down here. I'm gonna wipe it with the alcohol wipe, because if there's a piece of dirt trapped underneath that thing, I'm gonna lose my mind and go loco. I'm gonna attempt to use this stupid sticker thing. I can't believe I'm doing this, but I am going to kind of use this. I'm gonna just lightly glide it down and try to avoid doing that. That's what you're supposed to do with this. Just use the stickiness to pick up dirt. I mean, technically it does work. It's going to pick up dirt, but it's just so weird rubbing a sticker across. And I did just leave residue there. So that's the issue with this. So now I'm going to have to take my wipe again, wipe that residue off, wipe the lint off. And there I see a little bit more. Get this about where, you know what, I'm not even going to do what they want me to do. I'm just going to lay it down in one shot because of the cutouts, it's going to be difficult to do what they're trying to get me to do. So I'm just going to peel this whole thing off. Now I'm going to slowly massage this thing all the way up to the top. This is not how the instructions say to do it, but this is the method that makes sense to me. Just to slowly work this thing up, and then if we get any air bubbles like we just did, we can kind of work it back down. Okay, that is doable for me. I don't think it looks terrible. To keep my screen protected, I'm okay with this. Like, it doesn't look terrible. No one's gonna get in my car and be like, hey, your screen protector looks like crap. It just is gonna blend in, especially once the screen is on, I think. So without the light on it, you can see that the screen protector actually looks decent. When we put the light on it, that would like simulate almost like a sunlight. You can see there is a little bubble right there above the volume switch. You can see a couple little bubbles up there by the top. You can see that already scratching up top there though too. You guys see what I mean right there above the screen protector on that black piece? You can see those scratches already. So all of the black surrounding the radio can end up with that same finish. But you can see with this simulated sunlight on here, it really doesn't look bad. You can see it does still have some fingerprints on it, but they're not nearly as bad as it was before. But they clean off super easy with a microfiber towel. This glass feels like actual glass, like it's very easy to clean. Just wipe it down, and just like that, it looks brand new. That was a dry microfiber, no chemicals at all. I can pretty much touch everything. It actually feels nice. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate you checking it out, and I'll see you again in the next one.